Dan bersyukur sekali saya bisa bergabung Desember 2001.
And I'm really thankful that I could join QNet in December 2001.
Saya berjuang.
And I fight.
Walaupun saya tidak punya pengalaman apapun.
Even though I had no experience at all.
Upline yang ngajak saya selalu konsultasi kepada saya.
My upline consulted to me.
Semuanya tidak ada yang dilakukan. Apa yang harus dilakukan saya tidak tahu.
What I had to do, I really didn't know.
Dan suatu saat
And
saya
one
mendapatkan informasi bahwa ada Revikon di Yogyakarta.
And one day I received an information that there's a Revikon in Yogyakarta.
Saya mencari utang-utangan lagi untuk bisa mengikuti Revikon di Yogyakarta.
And again, I look for the loan just to be able to get into that Revikon in Yogyakarta.
Sampai pada akhirnya saya kenal beliau yang betul-betul memberikan saya spirit, semangat yang luar biasa.
Until finally, I'm very happy.
Yaitu guru saya.
That is my teacher.
Beliau adalah seorang kakak saya.
And he is my brother.
Beliau seorang guru besar saya.
And he is my big teacher.
Tepuk tangan untuk Bapak Sati Senati Raja.
And please give him a round of applause for Sati Sinati Raja.
Beliau memberikan 8 langkah sukses.
He gave me the 8 steps to success.
Dan dari dasar itulah saya bisa bagaimana cara mengundang, bagaimana cara memfollow up, bagaimana cara memberikan keyakinan kepada orang lain.
I know how to prospect, how to invite, and how to present this business to somebody else.
Walaupun teman saya semuanya menganggap bisnis ini tidak benar.
Even though in the beginning all my friends told me that this business is not the right business.
Bahkan kakak saya, keluarga saya, semua menganggap bahwa bisnis ini tidak benar.
And all my brothers and my family told me that this business is not right.
Bahkan teman saya semuanya dipengaruhi, jangan dekat dengan tobing.
And all my friends told the other friends, then don't get close to tobing.
Tapi saya terus.
But I keep moving.
Dan terus.
And I keep moving forward.
Saya percaya.
I believe.
Bahwa bisnis ini benar.
That this business is right.
Bahwa bisnis ini betul-betul bisa membantu orang banyak.
Then this business really gonna give me a lot of money.
Dan saya perjuangkan.
And I will fight.
Sukses adalah hak kita.
Success is my right.
Dan terus berjalan.
And I keep doing it and doing it.
Saya mendapatkan komisi pertama kali.
And my first commission.
Juli 2002.
July 2002.
Walaupun 14 bulan.
Even though it took me 14 months.
Saya bergabung baru mendapatkan komisi.
14 months took me to get my first commissions. But I keep moving.
Saya harus percaya.
I have to believe.
Dari berapa bulan yang saya alami,
from the months that I went through,
ternyata komisi saya rutin setiap minggu.
From then on, I keep getting my commissions every single week.
Terus.
Again and again and again.
Sampai saya bisa membeli kendaraan pertama kali.
Until I can bought my first car for the first time in my life.
Yaitu mobil Kijang Krista.
That is a car.
Dan mobil itu walaupun tidak mahal, tapi tidak akan saya jual sampai kapanpun.
However, even though the car is not an expensive car, but I will not sell that car, whatever happened.
Dan tahun 2003.
And in the year of 2003.
Adalah sejarah bagi saya.
It's a history for me.
Karena orang tua, keluarga saya semuanya, kakak dan adik saya.
Because my parents, my brothers, my younger brother.
Saya bisa menjemput beliau semuanya yaitu ke Jawa, ke rumah asal saya.
I can pick them up and bring them back to our house in Java.
Dan saya bisa
And I can
membantu orang tua
help my parents
yang rumah harusnya sudah dilelang bank.
that the house that's supposed to be taken by the bank
Hutang semua orang tua saya,
and all their debts,
saya lunasi.
I paid all for it.
Saya merasa,
I
Ya-
feel
ya Tuhan, Kau berikan jalan yang terbaik buat saya.
and I pray to God that, oh my God, you
Ini-
gave me the best way in my life.
Ini adalah jalan yang terbaik bagi saya.
And this is the best way for me.
Dan terus saya lakukan terus.
And every single day, I keep doing it and doing it and doing it.
Kuncinya yaitu konsisten.
The key is consistency.
Itu penting sekali.
And that's very, very important.
Karena
Because
kalau saya berpikir ada orang down di dalam bisnis ini,
if I ever think that somebody ever downed in this business,
karena tidak tahu apa yang harus dilakukan.
because they don't know what they have to do,
Seperti
just like
tikus mati di lumbung padi.
a rat died in the middle of the farm.
Kenapa tikus mati di lumbung padi?
And why a rat died in the farm?
Kenapa?
Why?
Kenapa?
Why?
Apa karena terlalu kenyang?
Is that because the rat is too full?
Atau kelaparan?
Or maybe too hungry?
Kalau kelaparan tidak.
If you say that because the mice is starving, it's not
Makanan
right.
banyak sekali.
Because there's so much food in there.
Tapi mengapa mati?
But why that rat or that mice dies?
Kenapa?
Why?
Bukankah kita tahu prospek kita tidak terhingga di dunia ini?
Don't you know that your prospect is unlimited in this world?
Setiap orang adalah aset kita.
Everybody you see is our prospects.
Baik yang kita kenal maupun yang tidak kita kenal.
Those that we know and also those we don't know.
Dan pekerjaan kita adalah mulia.
And our jobs is so pure.
Kalau kita mau membantu di kiri kita, di kanan kita,
If you want
semakin
to
banyak
help-
orang yang sukses.
If we want to help those in our right and those in our left, then everybody will be successful.
Apakah itu berdosa?
Is that a sin?
Apakah itu berdosa?
Is that a sin?
Pekerjaan kita adalah mulia.
Our job is very pure.
Harus kita perjuangkan.
And we have to fight for it.
Lihat anak-anak kalian.
Look at your children.
Lihat keluarga kita.
Look at your family.
Ayo kita berjuang.
We have to fight.
Kita berjuang.
Fight.
Kita bersama.
We have to fight
Kita
and we
bekerja
will win.
bersama. Kita adalah satu.
We are one.
Saya tidak membiarkan Anda tidak sukses.
I will not let you not to success.
Kita adalah saudara.
We are family.
Kita bukan orang lain.
We are not anybody else.
Saya
I,
sampai akhir hidup saya,
until the last breath of my
sampai
life,
rambut saya putih,
until my hair grow
saya
white,
tetap berada di dalam bisnis ini.
I will be in this business.
Saya perjuangan sampai akhir hayat saya.
I will fight until the end.